This video goes over how to find past changes in your Google Ads account. This would also be called the change history. First, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. For this video, start at ads.google.com. Once you're in your account, go to Campaigns on the left. Underneath that, you'll go to Change History. From here, you can see all the changes that were made in your account. You can change the date range over here to see other time periods of changes that occurred. You can look at changes by user, by campaign, and then see the performance of those changes. You can also change the metric that you'd like to look at and compare two different ones. Down at the bottom, it will tell you the user and the date and time that the change was made. It will also tell you the kind of change that was made and to what campaign or ad group if that is applicable. You can also see changes by certain types of the changes that were made, such as a budget change, a bidding change, audience, location, language, conversion, asset, status, feed, and other. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.